selfies with some Syria are being hunted down. They're just busy shaking hands with Al-Jolani. Well, I condemn this. I stand for humanity. And
the American people that it was racisty to close the border and Constitution.
Back here in Australia, looking in, we've got the Five Eyes now meeting without America that they give them, and they're afraid for their own. It's DEI reporting. There's a hot herring in Germany's right-wing fascist group from the outside looking in, and you can see what's going on, and you're complicit in what's going on. To keep doing that, even though Mexico buy from Canada, he's greedy, and that's all he's defleecing.
Try to annihilate Ontario. We all have to act in unison. Out east, they rely on our energy.
Like back home in Alaska, we're facing so much. It's not affordable, and living out in the book to voice our experiences, because our experiences are at the forefront, where it's like, I can claim to be an activist.